Hi there, it's Mrs. Flynn and the math team.
What's up?
Hey! Okay, we're here to factor with GCF. So first thing you need to know is, what does GCF stand for? Well, that's easy. It is just the greatest common factor. So to start, let's do some greatest common factors of these simple numbers, 4 and 12. So we could start by listing all of our factors of 4. 1, 2, and 4. Easy peasy. What about 12?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12.
Now, if it were looking for the greatest common factor, we need to find the greatest factor that's in common.
So that means it's the biggest number that's in both lists.
Boom. Greatest common factor, 4. Let's test Mr. Grev. Why don't you start with 16?
Okay, factors of 16. We have 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16.
All right, 24. You do that one too?
Ooh, okay. 1, 2, let me think, 3, because 3 and 8. We have 4, 6, that's 4 times 6, 8, and 12, and 24. Wow, lots of them.
There is. But the greatest common one is 8.
Wait, why isn't it 4 though? 4 is in both
But
lists.
come on, that's not the greatest one.
Oh, okay, so because 8 is bigger than 4, it has to be 8.
Yeah. Okay, let's try it. 14 and 49. You guys, I already know it. I know it without even listing my factors, but I am going to be fancy and list out all the factors. 1, 7, 49. Guess what? 7. So that's greatest common factor. So we're going to use that today to solve some algebraic expressions. So before we do that, we should probably expand some algebraic expressions in order to identify the greatest common factor. So let's see. 6x squared. I could write that as 2 times 3 times x times x. So does that make sense what I did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the 6 became the 2 times 3.
Why didn't I put 1 and 6 in there, though?
I don't know. Could we have? Could we do it a different way?
Well, I kind of think about we could have done it a different way. What do you think?
Let's write that out too, just in case.
1, 6, x, and x.
Perfect.
Okay. What about 40?
Ooh. I feel like there's a lot of different ways you can break up 40.
There is. Let's just start with the easy one. 1 times 40. A, B, B, B.
Great. I suppose we could also do it with 2 and 20. A, B, B, B.
We could also do it with 4 and 10. Or,
5 and 8.
8.
yeah, many, many, many possibilities. So we kind of want to think about all these options as we're doing this, I guess. 1 and 18. X squared is x times y.
2 and 9.
X and y.
Oh, wait, what about 3 and 6?
3 and 6. X and y. And if you guys notice, one thing that we kind of did here is look how we just started with 1, 2. We kind of went in order from least to greatest. Sometimes that helps you not miss any.
Yeah.
So did we miss anything there? I think we're good.
Great.